Okay.
So this is pretty much the pat way to can anything. I'm taking the empty jar out of the boiling water to sterilize. Today is jam day, so we're making a pile of jam. The one that we're making right now is blueberry lime. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your canning funnel in your jar. And then you're gonna put in enough of whatever jam, hot jam by the way, to fill up the jar, but it's important that you leave head space, and I'll show you what I mean by head space. When the jar is boiling, after you've filled it, the pressure is gonna push this air up out. So you wanna make sure you get enough room here at the top so all of your jam doesn't come out of it. And so this is why we leave head space. So that's what head space means, is just to leave a little empty space at the top of a jar. Don't fill it to the top because your stuff will come flying out. So then you're gonna wipe the top. The jars are really hot, so be careful. And then we already have some lids heating in a saucepan in the back because they have a rubber seal. So you want that rubber seal to be pliable when you put it on top of the jar. So we're gonna put it on top of the jar, and we're gonna put our, the jar's hot. We're gonna put our screw top lids finger tight, okay? Don't go crazy and wrench on it, but finger tight. And then your full jar is gonna go back in the boiling water, okay? And I gotta make room.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's cool.
And then you move on to the next one, okay? So let's do one more so you can see it again. So we just took our hot jar out of the hot water, and then we're gonna put our canning funnel in. I have hot jam mixture here, and I'm going to ladle in for this one. It's approximately 2 spoonfuls, 2 ladles full. And I overfilled this one.
Cadence. You have a package. I know. It's Amazon. Whatever.
So I'm just taking it back out. Okay. And then I'm gonna make sure I have empty space at the top. That's called the head space again. Notice how there's not jam all the way up to the top. I had overfilled it, so then take your lids, make sure you use a brand new lid every time. These are not reusable, these are one-time use. Make sure that they come out of a warm saucepan so that your rubber seal is pliable. Pop them on there. Stick your screw top on, finger tight, and then put it in your boiling water.
At New England Institute of Technology, we're proud
make
of
room.
our graduates
Again.
who stand on the front lines of the COVID crisis and to defend the frontline
Okay.
workers.
Okay.
Our current
Good?
Yes.